Do you remember when Brady asked that?
I still never got the answer.
No, we said something. We were like, oh, okay.
No, we did. We like gave.
Okay, this is
Like, oh.
number 10B. I kind of forgot to record the first part of the lesson.
Sorry.
And where's 10A at? Is this it right here?
It's 4x squared, yeah.
Did they teach you how to do cool stuff with your smartboard on teacher services?
No, I got skipped.
Oh, so you guys got duped.
I kind of forgot how we got to here.
They got duped.
Oh, we took the exponent that was in front, the 2 in front, and turned it into an exponent on the 2x, so it became 4x squared. And then if you have the log of 2 equals this. So you can basically drop off the log base 2. Y has to equal 4x squared. This is 10A. Should have said that first. Alright, and then, okay, 11. So, did you guys hear what Brady said?
A broken clock is right.
No. That's m to the what power?
2/3.
Okay, and
To the 1/3.
alright, now when you're dividing these numbers, what do you do with that?
You subtract it.
Subtract. Right here.
So is it just mn to the 1/3?
Was I gone that day?
Log base b, probably 2/3 minus log. We're breaking it apart on these. Sometimes
Oh, we're
that's
just trying to make it like, yeah.
Sometimes they ask us to put it together, sometimes they ask us to break it apart. Oh, there's one more step, I forgot. We can do something more.
Oh, really?
That. Put the exponent back in front.
How could we forget? How could we have been so careless?
Direction said express each term, each following in the terms of log base b of n.
Good old pinky.
Where'd that come from?
It's like pinky from 8th grade, didn't you remember?
Yeah, I do.
I
think I'm the one that named it.
One staple I remember from 8th grade is how obsessed
Yeah.
Leah and Rachel were with fringe being on their
We're gonna have a
papers.
child.
Okay.
So.
So,
Huh?
what would b be, guys?
She was a friend.
11b.
So the exponents, when they're together like that, you can add them. So it'd be log base b, m squared plus log base b n cubed.
Alright, so if they're multiplied together, and they're added, and then what can we do with the exponents? Move them in front. So 2 log base b of m plus 3 log base b of n.
This is like tedious.
It's easy.
It is. It's like, I don't know. I feel like I'm in.
Brady, your hair's
8th grade
on
again.
fleek today.
Okay, so using those tricks, we need to try to solve number 12 here. Let's get this.
Whoa.
Wait, is that the answer to that?
Yeah.
3 log b.
So how can we simplify on number 12 the left side?
The left side. We could.
You could chuck the x out front. No, you can't. Never mind.
It can be
Equals 1.
together.
How can we put them together?
Because they have the same base. It would just be log 5 of 2x minus 4?
No.
No. Oh, it's multiplying.
Yeah.
Oh, so it's x squared minus 4x.
Right. X times x minus 4 or x squared minus 4x. Parentheses is in there because all of that is supposed to be in the log, not just, technically I should add parentheses here too. So if we have a log function, usually we need to change it back to an exponential function. If we have an exponential function, we usually need to change it to a log function. So what's this as an exponential equation?
5 to the 1.
Right.
So it's 1
So it's
equals.
A, C, B. 5 to the 1 equals x squared.
5 to the 1 is just 1.
No,
5
5
to the 1 is 5.
is 5. How do we solve an x squared quadratic equation?
ABC.
Oh, that's awesome.
What was that?
I wasn't sure.
Inside, outside.
It's supposed to be so
Factor quadratic formula. What do I need to do first?
Equal to 0. Yeah, dude. You said inside,
I
outside.
said factored and quadratic
I actually
formula.
feel joy for a minute.
No,
I
it's
swear
wrong.
you still don't even know what it is.
What is wrong with
It
you?
was pure hatred.
Okay. Yeah, you need to move everything to one side. Move it up here. Not there.
Oh, you can use.
Does
I
that
think it factors.
does it factor?
Negative
-5
4 and
plus
negative 1.
Yeah.
What multiplies a -5 that adds up to -4?
That's what it said.
X
So-
equals 5 and negative 1.
Why'd you say 4?
That's how I use it.
I said what multiplies to -5 that adds up to -4.
Oh.
For those who aren't proficient
Oh,
with
one.
factoring. If you're not good at factoring, you're gonna have to use quadratic formula.
If you're not good
Or
at
just
quadratic
get
formula or factoring, then
You're
screwed.
out of luck. That thing. Alright.
Mr. Jordan.
Actually, I think maybe we should check and make sure both of these work sometimes.
I don't think that's a good idea, man.
Nah, they
Where
were.
was
they
it?
wouldn't do that to us.
You can't even find it. We're fine.
So
I think
here,
it
I'll look.
works.
I'll look
I-
at it.
We don't need to worry about it.
5 and -1.
Actually, this
So if I plug a 5 in right here, what would that be worth?
Include.
What would this log be worth?
5.
If I put a 5 in, one of our answers is 5, right?
Yeah.
So 5 to the what equals 5?
1.
1.
1 plus.
If I put a 5 right here, 5 minus 4 is 1. 5 to the what equals 1?
Equals 1.
5 to the what
Oh,
equals
negative
1?
0.
0.
0. So 1 plus 0
So it's
is
1
1.
plus 0 is 1.
Wow.
Okay, what about if we plug in a -1?
Sarcasm.
5 to the what equals -1? 5 to the what equals -1? Or if you want to cheat and use your calculator, how could you use your calculator?
My calculator did not like it.
It's sarcastic voice. Sounding exact.
Log of -1 over log of 5.
Is it just
Okay, here's the thing though. 5 to the what? What exponent could you put in to get negative something?
less than 1?
Like let's say -5, for example. 5 to the what
The
equals
calculator
be
doesn't
less than
do
one.
the,
Hold on.
Doesn't it have to be a fraction?
5 to the what equals negative something?
Negative.
oh,
Negative.
1. Wait.
Negative 1?
1 over 1?
What's 5 to the -1?
1/5.
Positive 1/5.
So 1/5 is the thing?
What's 5 to the
No, 'cause
1/2?
Square root of 1.
It has
Where
to
do
be a
5s go
fraction.
positive? Positive, positive. How do you make a negative? Trick question. Impossible.
It's not working.
So -1 won't work. Any negative won't
So
work
we put negative.
on the log.
So
Cross
it's
out the
just
five.
negative.
Just 5.
Just 5.
I know. I'm not.
That was just.
So, just like every trick's in 7th grade, once you get an answer, you can always plug it back in and see if it works.
Why'd they do us like that?
That happens on logs
Are
sometimes.
you happy
Just
with it?
part of
Are you
it.
happy that they did us like that?
What?
No.
It sure sound like it.
Okay, number 12. Guess what we're gonna? No, we just did that one. Number 13.
This is a big pencil.
Okay. Once you guys, I'll give you 30 seconds. Try to figure out 13A without a calculator. Go.
Problem is that I don't even know what we're talking.
Look at read 13A.
I'm gonna be honest,
But
Chief, I don't
I
understand.
didn't watch this.
Oh my.
Read the question first.
I did. I have super fast Speedy lightning reading.
5 to the 1
Really?
equals
What are you reading? It's between what, like,
1 and 2.
integers.
Oh.
I
Okay, Nevaeh, why is it between 1 and 2?
Because 5 to the 1 equals 5, and 5 to the 2 equals 25.
Right.
Yes.
And it's
Okay.
21.
The log base 5 means it means 5 to the what equals 21. 5 to the 1 is 5. 5 to the second is 25. So it's got to be a little bit less than 2.
So how do you
One
write
is
that?
less than 2.
1 and 2 is the answer.
I was about to get real
Did he repossess you?
Log of 25 divided by log of 5.
Still very nice.
What are you
1 and 2
saying?
is the answer
She's insane.
for
Okay.
It's okay. She's using our sarcastic voice.
13b is just solve it with
Log
What
of
are you
21
saying?
divided by log of 5.
Shut up.
I was right.
so you,
That's true, but I said that. I said that right there.
so 13b is just using the trick. Like you don't need to change. You don't need to use the base 5. You can use any base if you just do log of this divided by log of that. Log 21 divided by log of 5 is 1.892.
I don't know where log is. Is this B?
I'm sure that calculator has a log.
Yeah. I don't know what we're on.
13b.
13B. 13A was 1 and 2.
1.89.
This is
14. This should be like number 1. I feel like solve 5 to the x equals 8 for x to the nearest hundred.
square root it.
Okay. If they give us
so much confidence. Square root.
I'm not wrong. I am not wrong.
you're way wrong.
You're like way off.
Okay. If they give us an exponential equation,
You're gonna switch it to log.
switch it to log. This is what logs were made it
Avery.
for.
Log base 5, 8 equals x.
Yeah, it's ACB. Log base 5, that's your A. C,
This is log 8 over log
B. And then you can do log of 8 divided by log of 5. It says round to the hundredths place, which is what?
1.292.
Hundredths place.
1.329.
That's 1.29.
Brady, you said to square root it, so you have no point or purpose.
It's obviously 1.29, guys. And you want to know how I got that? I square
Did you
rooted
square root it?
it.
Yeah. Yeah. I bet.
How'd you square root that?
You just do it.
How did you put it in?
Which
Mr.
strong
Jordan, did I
day,
tell
'cause